Thing like that. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. That guy over there is Harry.
That guy, that's Lloyd. Let's get dumb up in here.
Hey, Harry, what do we do on this dumb channel?
I don't know. We do a lot of dumb things. We roll some dice, which is randomly generated. It picks a number. On that number, we then go to a random stock picker. We click the stock picker 3 times, or no, whatever the number on the dice is. See, that's so dumb it is. We click it, however many numbers are on the dice, and then it tells us what stock. We do that 3 times over. And then we go and do a little shallow dive, as we call it, into the 3 stocks. And we take our hard-earned money and we buy one of those. Isn't that dumb?
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard of. Let's go roll some dice, man. This is awesome. All right. Woo! All right, so we go out here to random.org. We grab a random dice. We roll that random dice, and it says 2. We go over here, not random.org. Where do we go? Random stock picker. All right, we click the random, what we were supposed to do now? 2. Okay, random stock picker. 1, 2. FRC. That's the first one we're going to look at tonight. FRC. We go back over here, random.org. We grab another dice. We toss that sucker against the wall. We get a 2. All right, random.org. Thank you so much for your randomality. All right, UAL. All right, last roll of the night. Chuck it up against the corner. 6, right on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. EJUL. EJUL. All right, then what we do, we do a shallow dive. Harry, the smart guy in the group, uses Webull. Webull is the trading platform that Dumb Investing uses to buy all these beautiful stocks. In the description down below, there's a link. If you click that link and you put $100 in, they're going to give you 2 free stocks. I go out to Yahoo and I do a little bit of research on Yahoo, and we do this 3 times, and we're going to decide which one of these we want to buy. Oh my Lord. Okay, Innovator MSCI Emerging Markets Power Buffer ETF. July. I don't know what this means.
Let's take a look here.
It's only been around for a couple of years.
MSCI Power. Yeah. So nothing in the profile. They've got $41.24 million in assets. Innovator ETF.
I don't think we need to pay somebody to pick a bunch of stocks for us. I mean, we've got dice to pick stock for us. Let's go see our other one. UAL. UAL. Oh, United Airlines.
Yeah.
Oh, right on. That's a very well-known company.
It is a very well-known company. So I don't necessarily think we need to go through the description of United Airlines, but we can just say that United Airlines is a very big airline company.
Very big. And when you look at their stock, as we have been doing this for the past 145 episodes, we saw a huge dip that happened, the COVID dip, we call it. Most stocks came out of the COVID dip and actually ripped higher by about 10% or so. UAW is still in the crapper.
UAL does too.
Sorry, UAL, whatever I called it. So
from a revenue perspective, they were trending in 2016 at $36.5 billion. 2017, $37.78 billion. 2018, $41.3 billion. 2019, $43.26 billion. 2020, $15.36 billion.
Choppa, bring out the choppa.
No doubt about it. So what are you thinking about UAL?
Look at the quarterly, though.
Mm-hmm.
So the quarterly, they've had 3 quarters. They went from 3.2, 5.4, 7.7. Last quarter, they were actually profitable.
Mm-hmm. For sure. I think let's go check the next one, but I'm heavily leaning this direction.
Give me 1 second. I got to let the cat out of here.
I hear the kitty going. So the next one we got is FRC. This is First Rep BK. So what do? First Republican Bank. Okay. So First Republican Bank is a commercial bank and trust company. The bank specializes in providing services including private banking, private business banking, real estate lending, etc., etc., etc. From a financial perspective,
dude, they are screaming. Look at them prior to COVID.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
they've doubled since they're prior to COVID. What are these guys doing?
They make money.
Okay.
So total revenue
so does Coinbase.
Yeah, exactly. Total revenue of 3.92 billion and net income of 1.06 billion. So put about
30% margins,
30%, somewhere in there, 25, 30%. Pretty healthy margins. But
wow.
Yeah, like you said,
are they paying dividends?
Gone straight up.
They're paying a 0.4% dividend and they make that kind of money? What?
22 cents per share.
Yeah, that's nothing.
Nothing.
Man, have they been screaming though? Is that sustainable, you think?
No chance.
No chance, right?
I mean, there's always a chance for sure. Always a chance. But you're right. It was pretty flat, hovering between 60 and $100, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then COVID hit and somebody's like, hey, we can make money on this whole COVID thing. And then they're like straight up to $213. So
you think Hedgie's been throwing a bunch of money here? Because nobody's buying bonds anymore. They're putting money somewhere.
Well, it's quite possible. But I think that United Airlines has a tremendous amount of upside to it.
Absolutely.
Like a 4x.
I'm with you 100%.
In the next couple of years. So this
one scares me that this is a buy the peak. All right. United Airlines, all in.
All in. We're buying it all.
No, we won't do
We're
that.
We're going to own a portion of it.
I forget how much their stock was trading at. Let's see.
45.
Oh. Now, normally we would go out and buy a fractional. We would buy half that. Do you want to really go big and buy one whole stock?
Totally up to you.
I think there's a lot of upside potential with this one.
You as well.
We'll see how we're feeling in the morning.
Okay.
If it's a green open, maybe we'll do it. If it's a red open, I don't know. Maybe we'll flip flop. All right. What's the portfolio looking like?
So the overall.
It was green personally for us today, so I'm guessing we should have a green portfolio, right? There you go. You're added now.
Perfect.
Oh, not many reds. Gosh, that's second day in a row.
Yeah,
that is a good thing to see.
Same as yesterday with 6 reds and very light reds. So we've got D Now was down 1.71% and Liberty Broadband was down 1.55%.
Huh. Liberty Broadband's a new name to the bottom 5. We haven't talked much.
I think it was that one yesterday as well. On the winner's circle, we've got
a lot of winners.
Yalla, a lot of them. Yalla up 5.54%. We've got Fuel Tech up 4.49%. The San Juan Basin up 4.38%. Ideanomics, and the list goes on and on and on of green. Overall, on the account here, this is pretty interesting, and I'm not sure it's accurate, but it does say that we made a whole 85 cents today.
Go back to our greens and our. There's no way. That can't be right, can it?
I'm wondering if it has something to do with after hours, but.
Well, it does. It does take the live readings, but our after hours aren't that red, are they? No, there's not that much red, huh?
Ideanomics is down a bit, but.
Wow.
Yeah, not fully understanding why that says 85 cents. And especially since we're at $2,900, because I think we were at 28.
Yeah, so that's like 20. Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You gotta get your stuff together.
Yeah, that's. I don't either.
All right.
Well, regardless.
We've got leading the way on the overall portfolio. We've still got Worry Bank up 22.85%. We've got On Assignment up 18.48%. Followed by Park City Group up 13.5%. On the biggest losers, we now have a new biggest loser. Green Lane Holdings down 32.57%. We've got Ideanomics down 31.44% and BurgerFi down 25.91%. So there's a fair amount here that, there's still a few second wins, but we're working our way back again. We had a little bit of a dip here over the past couple of weeks. Things went not so good in the old stock market, a little bit of FUD happening. And now again, FUD kind of disappearing for, well, maybe. It could be back tomorrow.
Dude, who knows? And what comes out on Friday? Do we have
CPI?
CPI, yeah, that's right.
Inflation on Friday.
That's already priced in. We know it's going to be high.
Oh,
we're all feeling it. Anybody go and try to buy steaks at Costco lately? Ha! Whoa. Asked me for a mortgage. I had to fill out an application and stuff. It was nuts.
Nice. Maybe you could affirm that stuff.
Almost, dude. Almost. All right. Well, that's how we do it. Thanks for joining us, everybody. We will be back again tomorrow night doing the same fun thing. We might do a market recap and maybe have a guest in the house.
Ooh.
Whatever you do, don't trade like that guy up there.
Don't trade like that guy down there.
Have a good night.
Or that guy